The fun thing about dealing with cars is you think you have it all together, that everything will just be a-okay. This is a video with me and my friends. So this time we have Cheyenne, Manny, and Alex. I'm not sure why Alex, you know, it's really realistically even part of the video, brother. I don't even, you know, whatever. But he has a really nice car. So, and he was kind of the project manager, if you will. So whatever, we'll let it slide. But today, unfortunately, is the install of the AMS full downpipes. These are 3-inch downpipes, catless, because I like to go balls to the wall. Yeah, that's me. Unfortunately, I'm not able to put on these downpipes with the motor inside the car, and that's where this video leads.
Oh, is this from the Mustang?
Stop touching my nuts, bro.
It's from the Mustang, bro.
I need you to air out so you can flex on video, bro.
All right. Oh, shit, bro.
Today we are actually gonna find. I've been going at this for like a month already, and there's me. I'm very hard-headed. I have asked for help, but these two individuals have been avoiding me for about a month because I know they're tired of working on my car. Specifically, this guy. He's actually very nice. They are gonna help me with my AMS full downpipes. Well, when I say they, it's probably gonna be Manny because I need his spirit fingers to actually get in there because my hands are too big. Look, show your hands though. Like, look.
Look at those little guys.
Yeah, look. See, we're gonna get started on the AMS full downpipes. I really held it off video, so Martin is coming to my house to go ahead and put in, well, we're gonna get the harness and then finally install it on the motor, hopefully get it started, no issues, and then I'm not sure what we're gonna do from there, have a street tune or whatever the case may be. This, in theory, should be the last time that we have any kind of installs. I actually have a whole bunch of stuff. I got me a cheap, well, I have a high quality oil cooler here. Why are you laughing?
I don't know. You probably got it on wish.com.
Yeah, I did get it. It literally does look like I got my oil cooler from wish.com for $1, but whatever. I got the fuel pump relay kit with the Hellcat 525 fuel pump, so now you know we're gonna go extra fast. CJM billet top hat.
Where's your fuel return?
Where's my fuel return?
Yeah,
are we doing this right now? You trying to get stomped, dog? Like, is that what we're doing? We got the CJM billet top hat, and then I have all the other wiring stuff that Manny is gonna be so nice to do for me. Maybe.
No, for sure.
For sure. Look at that enthusiastic. Hey, where are you going, bro? I'm gonna try and button up as much of the car as possible as soon as Manny gets his magic spirit fingers and gets the downpipes on, so. We gotta fix it, Manny, bro. If you get this done,
I'll try.
I will love you. I will sex you down, brother.
What? That was kind of gay. That was gay.
Whoa.
Don't even.
Are you jealous?
Hold on.
Are you jealous?
My hands are back together.
Bro, I believe in you, dude.
Ray, you leaning over, bro.
Yeah, because there's nothing there to block the oil from coming out. It just goes straight to the ground, brother. You want me to hold the pipe up? You want me to hold your pipe? What is it? You just tell me.
Okay, we don't have enough space between the turbo and the frame of the car, so we need to get the heat shields off, and to do that we need to pull the motor up.
Yay! So not only did I pull this motor one time, not 2 times, 3 times, I'm pulling this motor out, and it's for like the dumbest. I should have got lower downpipes. Like, I feel like I messed up. Lower downpipes would have been easy. So
I'm sure there's a way to do it, but
this is too much of a mission right now.
like this, I don't think so.
Yeah, so, well, here we go. Motor pull, round 3. I'm gonna take off the drive shaft and everything. I know, look, I know, right? Look, your face says it all, bro.
It's very frustrating.
Dude,
wow.
well, whatever.
It's not that much work.
It's not that much work, Manny?
Drive chassis, that's it.
I'm the one that's gonna have to do it, you know, like.
You don't have wiring harness, what do you do?
Yeah, but I don't want to do that, you know. Like we've been pulling this motor like so many times that like I'm already frustrated.
Hey, if you do it right, doesn't matter.
All right, goodbye, man. You're being correct right now, and I want you to go away. Go, stop. So I've been at this by myself. So whatever, got the drive shaft off. Actually got the exhaust off too. Putting it in a more softer area. You know, maybe I should have done that with that too. Whatever. We're finally about to get started. Thankfully, this time I actually have something I can lift the motor with instead of doing ties. I feel a little bit more secure. This is gonna come out for the last time until we do upgraded turbos. But watch all of a sudden I get upgraded turbos like next next week or something, or a week after, and now I have to do this all over again. I know I've been bad about filming. It's just because I want to get kind of move through this really quickly. So I'm just gonna go. You guys have seen me pull this motor way too many times already, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pull it one more time. We're actually not pulling it all the way. It just needs to be lifted up just a little bit so I can get the downpipes on. Why do you have handprints on your butt? Look at this. Look at this. Manny, what is that? Yeah, Manny, bro, what are you doing over here when you... Like, good job, Cheyenne. It's a little smack. All right, so here we are finally. So for the first time, I actually took out the motor by myself without any help. Basically by myself. It's pretty dope. So motor's out. I'm gonna try... Now we actually have a bunch of access to the turbos, so we can try and get the downpipes on. That's actually really great. I'm still gonna try and see if Manny can do that for me. I still want to put on the downpipes. Hey, Manny, you want to do me a favor when you're done with this car?
Bro, I've been trying to put this clip on for 10 minutes.
You want me to try and put that clip on?
No.
Will you want to switch places?
No.
You sure?
Yeah. That hard, bro? There we go.
Oh, look, see? All he needed was me, and then it came on. Look at that. Bro, now you look like you're ready to do downpipes, bro.
Let me finish this first.
No, I believe in you.
Car is scared and pissed this off.
Yeah, okay, all right. Also, disclaimer, okay. I'm no mechanic, bro. Like, so I forgot to put the little plug on the back. Bro, shut up.
No mechanic.
Hey, shut up, bro. Hey, I basically did it by myself.
You did do it by yourself today.
Accidentally, I pissed out a little bit of transmission fluid. Oh God, is it getting on my downpipes? Ah! No! Damn it! Oh crap! Oh my God! All right. It's funny because while you're doing a flex fuel kit, I pulled a motor, dog.
That's good.
And you're still on the flex fuel kit. Dude, Felipe, would you say that pulling a motor before doing a flex fuel kit was pretty damn impressive?
All you did is just disconnect the drag shaft.
I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what you're talking about.
We'll see which car turns on first, though.
Okay, why do you gotta talk crap though? Like, why you gotta bring me down like that, bro? Norgate, hey, you see how they treat me, dude? Like, dude, that was a low blow, Alex. I need you to get out of my house. The motor's out. It's really easy to put on the downpipes, but I don't know how to clock it, and that's the problem. I tried. Norgate, I can't express enough that I really did try. So I know there's people that are gonna roast me. So what happened, Manny?
Even new when you put it on, it's really tight.
What happened, Manny, with the heat shield? What? You broke my bolts?
No, bro, your engine came out one more.
So yeah, it's kind of a headache to get these on. So Manny is just taking off the heat shields to, I guess, clock it. I don't know. I couldn't figure out where it was supposed to go.
Right now, I just gotta move it because I need to get this off, and you don't have a tool for it, right? So I just, just hold it like this.
Okay, we'll do.
Bro, just take the whole motor off. Just take the whole motor off.
You want me to take it all out?
Yeah.
Okay.
The turbos, where's the RTs?
Yeah, let's just get the upgraded ones and slap them on now.
Let's do it.
Okay. I need someone to hold it.
You're gonna monte la car and
then put it back in.
Wow.
Really, dude? That simple? Oh, you don't have the bolt?
I need the bolt.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
No, it's not that one.
No, it's not those.
No, it's not those. No, it's not.
You never give me the bolts.
Here, grab the other one. Sean, can you grab me the bolt to the clamp?
You know you're missing a bolt here, right? No, that's normal.
Oh, I think I left it.
This is normal?
I think I left it down there.
You left it down there? I'll grab it.
Remember, this transmission never came with that. So it's the transmission that he had in the car already. Yeah. But it's kind of...
So that's what, oh yeah, dude, with that heat shield moving, there's no other way. That's crazy.
What's the temperature? Add a phone. Oh, that's for him. I'll bring you one. You gotta ask.
It's in?
It's in.
Oh! Yes!
Great. You basically did it by yourself.
I basically did the downpipes by myself. I took the motor out, but I also broke a fuel line. Oh, I didn't put that on the vlog. I broke a fuel line. No big deal. Who needs fuel to start a car, you know? All right, so Cheyenne actually came up with this idea, and I'm not gonna steal it. So Cheyenne was smart enough to bring up the fact that what we can do is put the white pipe on and then connect it to the downpipe, so that way we can make sure that it's clocked the right way. We should be good to go, man. Cheyenne, see, I told you, no matter what they say, I knew you were smart.
What do they say?
So we got Manny over here now. Put it up.
Yeah.
I like the way...
Oh my God.
I hate you. I hate you.
Go back down, go back down. Go back down, go back down.
I hate you. Shut up. Shut up. See, we're not falling. I'm not falling for that. Hell yeah. So Manny's doing the transmission bolts right now, and he's also gonna clock the driver's side downpipe. Putting in this motor with the downpipes on is actually absolutely a headache. Thank God I have friends, but I basically did this all by myself. So I would like to say I'm a badass mechanic. Honestly, I'm gonna probably try and film it a little bit just because there's honestly no light, and this light is absolutely burning and killing everybody, so I'm not gonna do it. I'm a little tired. We worked really late to get the car like buttoned up engine wise, but now it's finally, what I mean, you know, I hate to sound like so dead, but I really am. But you know, like there's a little things I have to do now, like put the grounds back on. There's a couple of things that I need just so that way we can go ahead and put the harness on and get the first crank, but I have to install the heat exchanger, the oil cooler. Okay, I have to install the heat exchanger, oil cooler, all that stuff before I can go ahead and put the harness on and get the first crank. Now the 370Z, like I said, is gonna start getting buttoned up, but also let me know in the comments what you guys want to see, because finally getting there, boys. Thank you for all the new support that you guys been giving me, for all the new subscribers. I appreciate it. Please, if you guys want, I'm gonna give you guys a challenge. If you guys want to see the next video, what I can do is keep you guys along with the timeline, keep you guys more current, so that way you guys get more content, you guys get to see more stuff with the Z, more, maybe to start up even sooner. But this video has to get 300 likes, so you guys want to see more stuff, give me 300 likes. I think that's fair. But thank you guys for watching. Stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next one.